Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. All my targets hit. I told you guys yesterday that I was looking for 595. We hit 595 almost exactly, right? The high was 595.12. We hit that bottom, the top of channel, like I told you guys, came right back down. Like I told my Patreon members, I mean, hey, as soon as we hit here, I'm fully expecting us to come back to probably mid-channel and then push up again. So as of right now, I am looking for I'm already in longs, right? I actually longed here at 59287 on ES, on futures. Currently in long, so I'm looking for a push back up to at least, if we can break past this, if we can break past 593.52, I'm definitely looking for a push to 598. So for another push for us to continue all the way up here. Again, I do not think that you're going to reject off the top of mid-channel, but again, you never know. So if we do touch here again, right, then I'll definitely adjust my stops. But as of right now, I am expecting us to do something like this. Well, actually, visually, let's do this, right? I'm expecting maybe another push like that, right? Not exactly this candle, but maybe something like this, where we do this, and then we go up again, right? And then maybe you go down here or something like in a bear candle like that. And then you go up again like that, right? I don't know, something like that, right? I'm expecting basically a push up over trend or over top of channel, right? Over top of channel, maybe like a retest and a push up, right? But that's all with the assumption that you close above that top of channel, right? We can definitely reject from here, right? So I'm in longs, but my stops are right here, 591, like, what is it? So like 5.7, right? Anything under here, right? Anything under there, that if you close under, right? If you come right back down, then I'm fully expecting us to go back to like, you know, either a 590 or you keep going lower to like a 586, right? Because you technically have not touched the mid-trend, right? You pushed up, came back down. You were a little bit far off. You were supposed to go down maybe like another dollar, right? Maybe like another like 20 cents, 30 cents for us to actually touch the mid-channel, right? So you can definitely do this and then pop up like that. So a lot of things you can do. Again, I do not think that you're going to reject on this channel. So I do think if you break and you keep pushing, right? You either break and push up, or you break and push up, retest, and then you push up, right? I think we're gonna keep pushing to the upside because you're basically just came up. You're already recovering on the hour. So if you can break past, I'd say 59410 today, I think you're gonna keep pushing towards the upside, right? That's really it. And not only that, but you already had confirmation on the daily, the 4 hour, right here. Let me go up a little bit, right? So on the hour, took my entry on longs. On the 4 hour, right, you're still not, the only way that I would really think of getting out and possibly being like bearish on SPY is if we close at anything under 59188. So if you close a 4 hour under here, then I'd definitely be very bearish down to like, I don't know, 588 and like 585. But I mean, even on the 24 hour, right, you already closed above that low on the open right here, right? So your entry, right, really, if you're following the Patreon, all that good stuff, your entry would have been right here on Tuesday, I think, right? Yeah, at 591.35, this would have been your entry right here. And anything under this, right, this would have all been buying, right? This would have been all been, you know, purchases to the upside. So your target already hit. So I don't know, we'll see, right? Target would have been right here. That would have been my target to get the fuck out, right? 59498. As soon as that hit, I would have gotten out. So as of right now, your next major target, I'd probably say would be the next support on the upside. So I'd probably say your next major target would be 598, or probably this upper trend here, somewhere up here. After that, you're probably running a fib, right? After that, you're probably doing a fib, whoops, into the upside, right? So you're going from the highs up here of like, what, 601, right? And then, yeah, so top of target would be 612. 612 is where I'm thinking you could possibly go. But again, you got to close above. I mean, if you can close a hour, like a daily candle above this 594.9899 target, whatever, I think you're going to keep pushing. But I think as of right now, because you got that fib up there, ultimate target is 612.90, right? Like a 613 roughly. 612.90, we'll add that there. But yeah. Definitely in longs, definitely bullish. You are creating a bull trigger here as well, but you already hit target at 595, right? You already hit my first target. Second target would probably be this area, 59833, but you got to close above that, right? You got to close at least like a 4-hour candle above that or something. So you got to close here, right? You got to push up. Got to push up, something like that, right? If you can close like this, right, then I can definitely see us pushing more to the upside. Right. As of right now, I am in longs, but again, I got small confirmation here on the hour, right? Target right now would probably be the top of channel, right? My target right now is probably going to be 59456 for this trade. If I get stopped out down here, right, then I'm definitely looking for a lower push down to 590 and then down to 586. But again, unless I get stopped out, I'm only looking for at least 59451. And then possibly next week, like a 598. But again, see, you're already ejecting, right? Target is literally 593, 592. You're already rejecting. If you close under like this open, 59205, then I'm bearish and I'll get out. But again, I'm still looking for a push up. Unless you like, fully engulf this bull candle, then yeah, we're going to go down. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.